All right, everyone. So now we're moving to the section that's all about assessments, or think of it as evidence. What evidence would we need to see in order to be sure that a goal has been met? The PLC version of this would be us trying to answer the question, how will we know that they've learned it? So obviously this is a really important step, and one that you really can't skip in order to design well thought, rigorous lessons. So our team decided that in order for kids to show their understanding of how to solve word problems that divide fractions by fractions, really the students need to be able to do three things. They need to be able to identify what the problem is asking. Students have to identify the dividend and the divisor, and then the students need to be able to justify their reasoning, how they know they came with the right answer. Whether they use their voice or writing, that was not important to the team. They just knew that they had to justify their reasoning, which is a good example. When you're thinking about your non-negotiables, really pay attention to the actual verbs of the standard. And where the standard's clear, be really clear. And where the standard might not be as clear, or might be more around demonstrating or using verbs like understand or know, then you don't have to be as tightly held to the way in which students show their understanding. I get that there are times where you really need a kid to show their understanding of a text through writing, which is totally fine. You just would want that to be clearly represented in the goal, and you'd want to make sure that they have the concept before you just dive in with a goal like that really is teaching two things at once. So you really need to pick when you're first introducing a lesson, and then once you've introduced that concept, then you can use a goal that has multiple skills related to it.